ka Heavens Cove Nature and Environment Protection Society, kala Pynkup burom ya kasamla rupda lato kabana juway halor kajing sya ajiet jong ka ban shimbenta ha kajing kop thei bhabriew batip kum ka Aura International kaban sa penlong menta usnam ha Antalya, Turkey. Ha kani kajing Pynkup burom uwan prang gasa in charge librarian juway ulalong kum ukongsan u Dr. Everest Mersing kum usimbut kongsan ringkat kajing sakhi lang kiriyo rangba kibahayeng hasambat kinong syakot ngobha ha kajaya lang ha kasisat jang. Uwan prang gasa kum ukongsan ulakit bok kidruang ya kani kasamla bat kermenru bakan wan pai ha ringkat kajing wan ra nam ya kajella bat kari.
The emha wo uyo pi wan ra pi ya kajing job ya kari ya state ya chong jwaya ki but kham tam yo man ke nuksa ye ki witwan ki khna kru ki yong i ta hini nga ka jing yu jo nga jing lain ti kham tam ki interact na jing to kam wo ki ni ki khna kru nga yu ki khna kru yong i post na kha yong i to ki wa am telen ma nado katem ngaput nado ki ni ki artist ki nongdro nado ini kerja modeling but hejing yu yang ato leda am kalat kulti ne ka go training yiki ko miat mut yu wata kini ki kena kru yo ye ki uyo compete wo ki witwan ki witwan ki kru ne ki witwan ki di pertai te badangai ke ba kini kejing job yang pi robdan tu uman go kenuksa yiki witwan ikna kru kena wakila lomba yang pi uyu to kila uji uyu compete ado international level but ngai na kalian ngah masnya serong bagi kon yang i gua do wan ra pi ni nam ko buram bat khamtam wadaman ki kenuksa ye ki witwan ikna kru yang i
Karup dalato kalaya thu ya kajing ya lenti bat kaong kamlong kabasuk ya ka ban pendap ya baro ki benta badan kam shwa bakan poi ha kan dikathong henry kam shamla randin pat namar bakadan ya kajing thrang.
So the organization that I got through was burom Miss India Elite, and I undergo through several rounds of interviews. It was all online process. That's why, like most of you, did not see the process in my posts or in the news as well. So that's why everything was undergoing online, and I had to go through several of rounds, in which it was quite challenging for me because there they tested my character, my personality, and my behavior. Because even though they say it's a beauty pageant, it's not only the outside beauty, right? Because beauty doesn't come only from the outside. If you're smart, that's beautiful. If you're intelligent, that's beautiful. If you're kind, that's beautiful. So I believe that even though it's called a beauty pageant, it's not only meant for the outside beauty, it's meant for the inside beauty as well. So I was tested with all these challenges as well during the rounds of interviews. And then finally, I got a call that I was selected as the burom Miss India Elite Aura International 2023, and that I will be representing my state, Meghalaya, and my country, India, in the national and international pageant. And this pageant that I will be attending now in September 17 till October 1st will be the biggest pageant held in Antalya, Turkey. So I would like to say that I'm really proud and happy for this biggest opportunity that I've received in my life. And I will really not forget, the first person I would like to thank is God, because without Him, I will not be here. And through my faith and belief in Him, I believe that I've made it this far. And for my parents and my family, they are my biggest supporter, I would say.
Karup dalato kalayo pediang ya kajing Pynkup burom na u president ka Heavens Cove Nature and Environment Protection Society ubari lalu badru na kinong yalam ka Kerman Foundation ha kajialang bapenya da ka kong simi kong tiang.